How to add shipping zone on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add shipping zone on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. First, open your browser and now once you're here, click settings and then click this one here, shipping, or if you can't find it here, just type here shipping and you will find it. Click on it and now just scroll down and here we'll find checkout shipping options, and here we'll find add shipping zone. Click on it. That's it. Just select country or custom zone and that's it. Select anything you want here and that's it. Manage it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.